Hey, how you doing? It's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today what we're going to do is go over the difference between infrared burner cooking and blue flame burner. So these are a couple of the styles of the infrared burners. Traditionally you have like a square rectangle. You can also have what they call a trident burner. This is from Lynx. This is basically the two kind of sizes that you'd have. And then a standard blue flame burner would be like a tube burner, an H burner, could be a cast iron burner, could be a cast brass. It's anything that you'll see the blue flames coming out. So the major difference between these that you'll see when cooking with infrared barbecue grills and blue flame is the blue flame grills, they usually heat up the air temperature. And traditionally, a blue flame gas burner will heat up to pretty much 600 degrees, 15, 25 minutes. Difference of cleaning, like when you clean a blue flame burner, you just basically want to brush it down, poke the holes. Where when you do an infrared grill, it gives you a direct radiant heat to the food, which will keep the food seared, not as many flare-ups. Infrared burners, you're heating up in like 3 to 6 minutes, 1,000 degrees and higher. You will use less gas because traditionally they're less BTUs. When you clean an infrared burner, you kind of want to just vacuum the burner off. You don't want to swipe anything and fill up these holes because these holes are all over the burner. They're the little ports. We don't want to get those clogged up because if you get those clogged up, then the grill is not going to perform the way it should. So there's a lot of grill manufacturers that do use these. Traditionally, Tech barbecues have been the inventor, the engineer, the forefront of these. We do have Sear, which is one. We have Texas Sizzler. All the major brands like Lynx, Twin Eagles, you have Alfresco, AOGs, Delta Heats, they all can have infrared burners in them now. Even grills that are not as fancy, like the MHP grills, you can also get an insert for that grill to turn one of your open flames into an infrared. A lot of the overseas grills that are made, they come also as an option with an infrared burner. So if you're really looking to go for like a restaurant quality, which a lot of these steakhouse, fine restaurants do use infrared burners in some of their cooking, this is the way to go for you. So depending on what grill you want to use, let us know, give us a call, send us an email, send us a text. We'll give you all the information you need. You can contact us toll free, 877-983-0451, or you can go to our website. It's thebbqdepot.com.